So, after installing BitNinja, you will be greeted by a dashboard. On this dashboard, you have the options to create server groups. And you have a few options here. So, first off, let's start with the most obvious one on the left and click on Add New Group. And then you can simply just name your server group whatever, let's say course, and then we will just add it. So, in order to add machines to this server group, all you have to do is click on it, and you will see this big green button and here as well to add new servers to the group. This is fairly simple to do. You click on it and then you just select your machine. If you have multiple, of course you can select multiple ones. It all depends on your preferences and choices. And then you will just click OK. And then you will see that this is now in the server group. You will see that all of our servers contains one server and the course contains one of these servers, and there is 0 uncategorized left. So this way you have the options to watch them as a grid or a table view, and grid view is more suitable for people with less machines, while table view usually is preferred by large server owners because it's just easier to oversee them, especially because you will see 50 machines in this table in front of you with all the necessary information. You will of course also have the options to add some extra functionality to it, like your server ID and your agent version if you're curious about that, and you will be just able to do that. But most of the times I wouldn't really mind not seeing the agent version. And so let's go through this little menu here. So in the grid view, you will see your most basic information about the machine, your load numbers, your hosted user number. You will see that your agent is up to date, everything is okay. And you will also see all of the modules turned on or off, like this one, for example. And if you hover over them, you will see a little hover tooltip about this module on what it does. It's just for you to help understand what they do and if you should turn them on or off. In the table view, you also have a similar setup where you are able to see your server's name and a little icon to go to the server settings, which we will get to later on. You will see if your agent is in trial or if you have any issues. It will show up here. And you can also see your modules, but this one will only show the disabled ones. But if you click on it, it will bring up the menu to turn them on or off. Also, you also see the hosted user number and also the load of the machine, which will all take you to the server screen. And also the settings one, which will just bring up the same module toggle. And since we've already managed to come here, you can see that in this server info page, you are greeted with this little section that contains information about your own server and machine. And you're able to see some information regarding this. And this is of course looking very empty because this is only a test machine, so there's not much traffic on it whatsoever, because of course it's on a private network, so you will not see real traffic here. But we will get to an account that hosts a real machine as well, and you will see some trends here. But overall, you have the options to filter through anything that happened on this machine: the anti-malware, the port honeypot, the DOS detection, verification firewall 2.0, log analysis, IP reputation, defense robot, and everything else as well. Also, you will see the top attacking countries. You will see a map of the countries that we have blocked attacks from. As you can see, bad traffic stopped by BitNinja. So you have the option to blacklist these countries, but of course, it's always a very risky move, as I've explained it earlier. So this is what you can do. and this is how it looks. And I hope it helped you get a better understanding, and I would encourage you to go on to your own dashboard and press every button you see and see and feel how it works, and then see you on the next one.